He's an incredible human being and a great ambassador for our company and our sport, and obviously for you guys, a great ambassador for India.
Lust for something unknown. Oh, you better leave it alone. And you know I'd rather get up and go. How long can I lie around waiting for it? Sometimes you gotta walk out the door. What do I do? What do I say? Am I chasing that dream to running away? No limits, no ceiling, no crown. No pressure gonna hold me down. No stopping till I break every rule. No limits to what I can do. Nowhere is too far away. No border gonna stand in my way. No wall that I can't break through. No limits to what I can do. Yeah, drive on the wrong side. Just live while I can. Stay here in the moment, 'cause I'm free to be my own man. What do I do? What do I say? Am I chasing that dream to run away? No limits, no ceiling, no crown. No pressure gonna hold me down. No stopping till I break every rule. No limits to what I can do. Nowhere is too far away. No border gonna stand in my way. No wall that I can't break through. No limits to what I can do. Sometimes you got to get up and go. No limits, no ceiling, no crown. No pressure gonna hold me down. No stopping till I break every rule. No limits to what I can do. Nowhere is too far away. No border gonna stand in my way. No wall that I can't break through. No limits to what I can do.
I really enjoy everybody. Everybody here is so happy, and I love people. So thank you guys for making me feel so welcome to the Hero Motorsports team. It's a pleasure being here. It's an honor to be here, and I'm glad to be here with you guys. Thank you very much.